Hi, so far we have seen the NEET MCQ question answers. In that we'll see about this. Which of the following pairs of metals is purified by Van Arkel's method? Pairs of metals in the sense zirconium, titanium, silver and gold, nickel and iron, gallium and indium. In that we should know that zirconium and titanium can be purified by the Van Arkel's method using iodine as the in that this metal zirconium and titanium will be settled on the filament tungsten filament deposited on the tungsten filament, and iodine can be separated out and can be reused. Next question, sulfide ores of metals are usually concentrated by Froth flotation, that we know, that is lead sulfide and zinc sulfide. We should keep remember those, but in that way that sphalerite is not using by these also sulfide ore, but it is not purified by the Froth flotation process. It is used by chemical leaching. Why is it so? Before entering into the answer, we should know galena is lead sulfide, copper pyrites in the sense copper sulfide, and argentine is silver sulfide. Then sphalerite is zinc sulfide. It is not by sphalerite is exception for Froth flotation because of the structural arrangement. It has polymorphs with the structure. That means it has many shape. Because of this structure, this eliminates roasting. In the roasting, it eliminates sulfur instead of sulfur dioxide. Because of this process, because of this behavior, this is undergone by the chemical purification is undergone by chemical leaching, not by Froth flotation. Then purification of aluminium by electric refining is known as, we have come across previously. We have seen what is Hall's and what is Bayer's and Hoop's process, Serpek's process. So it is Hoop's process. Okay. Then calcium is obtained by which method? Roasting of limestone, electrolysis of molten calcium chloride, or electrolysis of calcium chloride in water, or reduction of calcium chloride with a carbon. In this, electrolysis of electrolysis of molten calcium chloride is the correct answer. In cathode, it is deposited as chloride ion, and in anode, it is Cl2. Okay, it is calcium is deposited and remove plus 2Cl minus, and further it on anode it is Cl2 is settled at 700 degrees Celsius. Okay, then elemental silicon to be used as a conductor is purified by elemental silicon. We have seen silicon, germanium, gallium. These are all the semiconductors. Those will be refined by zone refining, that is melting of the impurities. Rod type, the circular mobile heater will be there, and it will be purifying the metal again and again, moving again and again throughout the rod. It will be purifying. That is called zone refining method. Okay, so silicon is a known that is metalloid, and it is purified by zone refining method. Then cassiterite. Cassiterite is the ore of, that is strontium oxide, that is tin, strontium or tin oxide, that is manganese. For manganese, it is pyrolusite. For antimony, it is stibnite, and for nickel, it is limonite. So tin oxide is a strontium oxide is a cassiterite. Then, considering Ellingham diagram, which one of the following reduce alumina